What is UI design or user interface? Hi, I'm Tessa with today's Marketing Minute from Elevado. UI, which sometimes is conflated with UX, but it's actually a very different thing, is essentially the optimization of the interaction between you as a person and a virtual or digital entity, software, interface, etc. It is all about how can we make these digital interfaces as intuitive, as attractive, as usable as possible. So it's a little bit like UX in that it's about making sure that something is navigable, that it is attractive and simple to flow through, but it's a little bit more about the actual digital product itself and a little bit more about that optimization of the actual experience of use versus UX, which is a little bit more about how do I nudge people down the funnel? How do I help people convert down funnel? So UI is a little bit more involved in digital products, softwares, etc. That said, the principles of UI can apply to UX or websites as well, because it's about, using color, typography, button size, layout, etc. to make sure that something is attractive and easy to use, which obviously also will come into play when you're talking about UX. That said, UI is something that is a really kind of nuanced piece. It's real tricky to maybe optimize for. A lot of A/B testing can go into it. It's really helpful to have someone with a design lens look at something and help you with this piece, as well as someone with an engineering lens, because a lot of it could also come down to some engineering pieces of your product. So it's not as strictly in the digital marketing space, but it's something we get asked about. And it's something that, again, gets conflated with UX, which is something that as digital marketing agencies should also be able to do for you. I know it's, again, a little nuanced, so reach out if you have any questions. We're always happy to help. And let us know if you ever want to book a free intro call to talk about how your product might get a little bit of optimization in the realm of UI.